How to transfer YouTube channel to another Google account. To learn how to transfer, make sure you watch video till the end. And let's jump right into the process. First, open your YouTube app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now go to the profile icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on YouTube Studio. After this appears on your screen, once again tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then tap Setting. Now tap on Permission. So for this purpose of the video, we have to add more people, so tap on Invite. Then enter an email of a person whom you want to transfer it to, so this could be your email also. So once you enter the email, choose the role above below. So if you want to transfer your whole account, choose a manager. Then tap on Send Invitation. Once again tap Send. This is what invitation email is going to look like. Says, Preeti Shrestha, you have been invited to access Ritika Maharjan. Then tap on Accept Invitation. After you accept the invitation, it appears like this on your screen, where you can transfer your whole account to one another Google account. So this is how you transfer YouTube channel to another Google account. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.